When after 1 hour Lencho saw that there was nothing left, only there was visible ice and ice. All around was covered with ice, and the food grains which was in the field of Lencho, that was totally destroyed due to the hailstorm. Lencho became very sad, he became very unhappy, and he was unable to decide that now how will he survive his life and how will he provide the maintenance to his fellow family members. So at night when he went to sleep, whole the night he was tensioned and he did not sleep. But at night he realized that nobody will help him, only the God will help him. So Lencho decided that next day he will write a letter to God and he will demand for 100 peso. Here peso is the currency, just like in India we have rupiah, like this in France there is a currency, or in this story there is a currency which is known as peso. So Lencho decided that he will demand 100 pesos from the god. And next day Lencho took pen and paper and he started to write a letter. Then after that he wrote in the letter that God, you give me 100 pesos so that I would start my farming once again. And after writing the letter, Lencho after writing the letter, Lencho after writing letter, Lencho started to his house to drop that very letter in the letter box. So he reached to post office and after that he posted the letter in the letter box. And then after that Lencho departed from post office to his house. When postman came to collect the letter, after collecting he saw the address on the letter, and the address was written to God, from Lencho but to God. Reading this address, the postman was very surprised and he started to think that which variety of man is this. He delivered this very letter to the head postman, hand over the letter to the head postman, head postmaster, and head postmaster he was also surprised because such letter he never got. And head postmaster decided that he must read the content written in the letter. So head postmaster he turned the letter, he unopened the letter and he started to read the content whatever was written. After reading, he realized that really Lencho is in need and he must be helped here.